Your main task today is to understand what it was like to travel along the Silk Road by analyzing two sources. For each source, you will have 2 pages. On the first page, you will source the document, and on the second, you will just analyze it by answering these questions, or for these, just filling in the blank. In order to fill in the blanks, you'll just click and then start typing. Obviously, yours will look much more top quality than mine just did. Now, this week, instead of having you complete an SCR, you will be completing journal entries after each source. So you'll see right here that for each journal entry, you're going to respond to this prompt in the blue box. Be creative and really put yourselves in the shoes of someone who is going on this journey. Once you have completed these journal entries in a minimum of 3 sentences for both documents, then you'll be able to move on to your mastery check. One thing that's important to remember is to read the prompt fully, because the prompt asks you various questions that can really help you with your sentences and making sure that you're being thorough in your response.